Uh-oh, let's get started. I think this one is broken, but let's start. But I have to say, the videos I deleted in 2003 automatically. It was an accident. Okay, but now it's time to go to the App Store and play some games. Wait, what is this? Animals and Birds Encyclopedia. Wait. This video is unsuitable for kids under the age of 12. Get started now. Yeah, well, I guess I'll download it. But there's an Apple ID password. Let's guess it. After she guessed the password. Okay, my game. But wait. It contains language and the R word, which is very offensive.
Oh, tapos ka na?
But it's fine, but don't watch it.
Miss
here. Now it's time to wait for the download. After that, my download is here. Now it's time to go in here. And first I got to go pets. And first I got to go dogs. And first, I picked the first animal.
Affenpinscher. Description. The Affenpinscher, also known as the African Terrier, is a terrier-like toy breed of dog. The breed is German in origin and dates back to the 17th. The American Hairless Terrier is a rare breed of dog that was derived as a variant of Rat Terrier. As of January 1st, 2004, the United Kennel Club deemed the AHT a separate terrier breed. In January 2016, will achieve full AKC recognition, an intelligent, social and energetic working breed. The American Hairless Terrier is often listed as a potential good breed choice for allergy sufferers. Country: United States. Group: Dog, Kingdom, Animalia. Body type: large size. Lifespan: 10-12 years. Height: male, 32 to 36 inches. Female, 28 to 34 inches. Temperament: dignified, affectionate, good-natured, courageous, calm, protective. Weight: male, 73 to 91 kilograms. Female, 64 to 82 kilograms. Price: average $1,000, $1,500 USD. Breed type: working dog breeds. Colors are fawn, apricot and brindle. Andalusian Hound. Description: the Andalusian Hound is a dog breed originating in...
It's locked. I'm going to ask my dad. Dad, come here. It's serious. What's wrong, Maureen? It's locked, so I need to buy it. Don't worry. I will purchase the food. After purchasing, here's your purchase. But you have to refresh it. It worked. Okay, but don't cry. You understand? Yes, I understand. Okay. Now I have purchased my game. Now it's time to go in Affenpinscher or American Pit Bull Terrier. I know it's Affenpinscher. Let's start first again.
Affenpinscher. Description: the Affenpinscher, also known as the African Terrier, is a terrier-like toy breed of dog. The breed is German in origin and dates back to the 17th century. The name is derived from the German monkey. Country: Germany. France. Group: Dog, Kingdom, Animalia. Body type: small size. Lifespan: 11-14 years. Height: 9 to 12 inches. Temperament: active, fun-loving, playful, stubborn, adventurous, curious. Weight: 2.9 to 6.0 kilograms. Price: average $300, $500. playful, intelligent, active, familial, friendly, weight,
It's
female,
roaching.
3.6 to 7.3 kilograms, male,
Listening to the
4.5
dog
to 8.2
roaching.
kilograms, price, average $300, $500 USD, breed type, non-sporting dog breeds, AKC, companion breeds, UKC, color, chocolate, black and silver, blue, black and tan, cream. Magyar Agar. Description. The Magyar Agar is a dog breed. It is a type of Psy found originating in Hungary and Transylvania. It is used for hunting and coursing, and is also kept as a companion. Country, Hungary, Transylvania, Group, Dog, Kingdom, Animalia. Majorca Shepherd Dog.
Huh? Magyar Agar? Yeah, that's my name. MS for mine. MS for Magyar Agar. Yeah, huh? Why do I keep jumping on the bed and keep saying yeah and clap my hands? No. Wow. What the heck, Maureen? Why are you retarded? What the heck is going on here? I cried over the iPad, over the animal and birds encyclopedia app. Maureen, how dare you cry over this app? That's it, you retarded girl. You were grounded for 3 weeks. Why'd you call me a retarded girl? Because you're bad. Now I'm taking your iPad and go to sleep. Hey, Dad. I didn't hear the word retarded. And like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss my recent videos. Goodbye. See you later.